I'm not sure if you can see this very well, but that's those big sand wasps, or what they also call cicada killers. Let's see if you can see one. Look how big that thing is. They're humongous. All right, as I was digging this hole where I had a leak, I got about 1.5 feet down and found a couple little dead cicadas. And I thought I had disturbed a cicada nest. But as I was digging up a little bit further, I noticed these things flying around. It was a cicada killer nest. And that's where they had dragged those cicadas after they killed them, took them down into their nest, and that's what they're feeding on. There they are right there. I think this may have bit off more than it could chew. Look how big the cicada is. Look how big this cicada is. That wasp is trying to take down in its hole. Let me see if I can get it focused. There we go. Look how big that thing is. That'll put a hurting on you. Let's try to fly off with it. Can't muster up enough lift. There, it's trying. But just can't get quite the lift that it needs. It's just pulling its way through the grass. Wow. I don't want it stinging me. They'll put a hurting on you.